All right, Kronies, what's happening, everybody? Hope everyone's doing fantastical. I know it's been a few days since I've gone live, but I've been busy. We've got some framing done here. This is like a live office where there's people actually working here. So I didn't go live, during the day while we were here because of that, right? Just want to give people their privacy and stuff while they work, but. This is the weekend, so we're here. I'm here by myself today, just doing some prep for the, getting the carpet shield down and some tough board. The back of the board down for protection because it's like I saying, finished carpet and yeah, like there's finished stuff in here, right? So yeah, I hope everyone's doing well. Um, Oh yeah, I got an announcement coming up, and basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give away. It's gonna be a big tool giveaway, and at least a $500 worth of tool type giveaway. Okay, last time I did it, I put $800 into it. I'm gonna do it again this time. And hey, aloha! How are you, my man? Good to see you, Andy. Man, right on, buddy. Right on. Are you in Hawaii? My buddy Bo Nuts is from Hawaii, so that's great. But so yeah, basically, it's gonna be. I want like people to submit pictures of your projects and stuff like that, and we'll or something like that. It'd be like a bit of a competition type thing, but I'm gonna iron it out and I'll let you guys know. All right, Andy, that's awesome, man. Sweet. I wish I was in Hawaii too, buddy. Wow, paradise, eh? Very cool. Here we are. It's a office building, Q deck on the top, and this is a wood subfloor, wood framed base building, I guess. So we just literally put the track on the carpet and screwed it with 1.25 inches down through the wood. Simple, like simple. You can see the 1.25 inches there. And yeah, so doing like the layout, I did this by myself, the track, and I didn't snap any lines. I just used my laser and squared and my 2 foot square basically, right? Got it all in, and then of course we just lasered it up. Okay. We got these 3 windows we're gonna build, sort of like the ones we did at Kumon, but this is a little bit. These ones are a little more square. So I made these openings a 1/2 inch bigger all around because they were supposed to come in jams, but they didn't come in jams. So now I gotta frame it or I gotta layer it and do whatever and blah 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 blah. Right? I haven't cut those open yet to make sure the windows are like the sizes, but they should be technically. The opening overall is 1 inch bigger each way. So, but yeah, simple as that, guys. And then we have another window in this one. So we're going to be doing on this job we've already done the framing, but we're going to be we're installing the windows, the doors, just these 2 doors, pre-hung wood jams. The 3 windows, we're going to do all the drywall, taping, trim. There's T-bar. So this whole area, because of these big ducts, the big ducts or whatever, we're gonna have T-bar in here and T-bar in that. That's a training office. And then in this office here, it'll be just taped and painted all the way up. We're gonna do the painting as well. So taping, painting, trim, everything on this job. And we'll be doing that all this week. So yeah, that's this week's project basically. I also have, there is a couple more things too for this week. Like there's the, we got to start the SO, and we also have to do the duplex, the house this week. So it's gonna be a busy week, guys. So you definitely want to. Hey, buddy! Yeah, shout out Jelly Duck 100, man. Member for another month. I love it, brother. Appreciate you, dudes. Nice, man. You can see I got the start of a bulkhead up there. Going to hang the piece of drywall down and just return it into this wall here. Okay, that's how I'm going to do this bulkhead. This room here is getting all insulated with the Roxol. Okay, that's the semi-rigid. But hey, how's Jelly Duck doing anyways, man? Good to see you, buddy. Thank you again so much for being a member, brother. Appreciate you guys so much, man. Like, That's totally rad, dudes. And then you can see here on this side, hey, Randy, what's happening, bro? This side here, I will just put an angle up there, and the board will finish straight up, and I'm going to put an angle along the top to pick up the top, obviously, right? The expansion joint will be technically at this slot track, okay? That's kind of, where that should be. So I will show you that. I might need to get an expansion bead for here, but we'll see. Maybe that we can get away with so I'll drywall up to the bottom of the track, leave a 3/4 inch gap, and then I'll screw the top piece on the top of the track and at the angle at the top. So that's how I'll finish that beam. So pretty easy. That's good. That'll give me an example to show you guys of those expansion joints in a different spot than at the top, right? So. But yeah, guys, you guys kind of see, I just follow the steel. These walls here are not level, okay? This wall here is not level, but you still, no matter what, have to follow like a big 1/2 inch in for 1/2 inch drywall. You want to be a big 1/2 inch back with your stud, okay? Don't plumb this stud. Don't plumb this stud up. And you have to match it, okay? You have to match the seams so that you don't have a weird taping bulge or any just follow the wall you're going into. That's the rule there, okay? So don't plumb that. If it's not plumb, I always put my laser when I'm doing my layout, and I'll check to see where it's out the most. And I always want to be follow the 1/2 inch. That's the minimum, okay? The minimum. That's, you don't want to go past because you don't want it coming sticking out, okay? So find out, you mark 1/2 inch, big 1/2 inch all the way, put your laser on it, and then find out where the closest one is, and then that's the one you shoot your plumb line to. But yeah, dudes. Oh yeah, it looks like this guy went a little too tight on his, So electricians are supposed to floaters. They're supposed to put a little like a little loop here. Okay, so this wire is supposed to kind of loop towards the outside corner, and then back this way. Okay, so that there's slack for it. As it stands, this is outside the wall. This is outside the wall. It's too tight, right? So I'm gonna end up reefing it, and yeah, there's gonna be there's just not enough. There's not enough cable here to do your corners. You see what I mean? It's gonna be you see how tight that is. Once you get and also, buddy, put the floater in the wrong way. So I gotta do something about that now. Who does that? The floaters. The electrician put the floater in the wrong way. So I'm gonna take this wire out and yeah, rerun it. He's got some slack here, so I'm gonna end up taking it from here, because yeah, he needs more slack here, right? Like I was saying, when this wire comes out, it's supposed to loop towards the outside corner and then through this way, okay? So the electrician is supposed to leave a little loop, okay? Not like this. That's no. Right? And he's done it 3 times. So I hope there's enough slack over there. There should be, but as far as code goes, they want a loop here, right? So yeah, hey noobs, hey, I hope I said hi to you. Is that Carlos, man? I hope I said hi to Randy Matthews too, brother. Right on, good to see you guys. Yeah, there's a little bit of slack here, so I'll just take it off the slack they left, and I'm gonna have to take this wire completely out and flip this, because I don't want to cut a little tab for it, because that weakens it, right? I could though, I guess. It just sucks. It just sucks that they do that kind of crap, right? Always giving us something to do. And then you can tell here, this wire here, what's going on with this wire. Oh, it's just wound. I think that's a wire we can just get rid of. It's just wound up over there. So that's good. But yeah, and I get to show you too, my semi-rigid knife, my scuba diving knife. Where is that out? I wonder. Oh, it's probably in here, but I use a scuba diving knife. Where is it? Yeah, she's right here. Oh yeah, my Hilti bag. Yeah, one of the things in the giveaway will be that hard Hilti case. I'm going to put something in it. But yeah, you can see this is my my knife for doing rigid, right? Semi-rigid. This is a scuba diving knife, a clank, right? This is what the sheet metal workers will use. So good knife, good knife. But yeah, I'm all set up. I got some ram board down just to keep this extra clean for the mud and stuff. I don't want to make a mess or anything, right? So, but yeah, we're gonna have T-bar in here and T-bar all in this hallway and open area. So I only have to drywall to above the T-bar in these two rooms, and then this inside here I have to drywall all the way up and tape all the way up. But yeah, we got 40 sheets of board. It's more than enough. Just a silly spot for it to go though too, right? But I think what they did is they boomed it in through here and just laid it right there. Hey, buddy, Kenneth, man, the Kentucky fan. I appreciate it, man. I appreciate the thumbs up, guys. I appreciate you guys hitting that like button for me. Super helps get the notifications out and everything, right? So I appreciate that, guys. My goodness, it is so hot in here too. Holy cow, bunga. I'm doing good, my man. I'm doing good. How about yourself? Right on, man. You're right on. And then, yeah, we're using the Dawn system and not the Armstrong in here. The supplier that we deal with for this job, that only sells the Dawn, right? Hey, Anton. What's up, brother? Good to see you, man. Good to see you, and you're doing good. That's great. Good to hear, man. Good to hear, Kenneth. Totally cool, guys. Totally cool. But yeah, there'll be lots. Yeah, you finally caught me, brother. Yeah, so tomorrow, Murat and I will be here. It's Murat's oldest daughter's birthday today, so he couldn't come in today. And or are you trying to get your channel back up again? Nice, bro. Nice. Well, man, good stuff, man. Make sure to get on my Discord and share any videos you post, okay? But yeah, brother. Yeah. Right on. Thanks, dude. Appreciate that. Yeah, man. Yeah, so Murat and I will be here tomorrow. I get king studs. Why no, Vincent? So we actually ran low on studs at the end, so we had to take one away from the door on either side. But you can see here normally, right? We got 2 studs on either side of the door. On the windows here, got 2 studs on either side of the doors, right? So that's kind of how we do king studs. That's a wood framing term, guy. That's not something we use in steel stud too much. But yeah, dudes, and then you can see here I spent all my traffic. Yeah. Hey, Eva, you can't get on Discord, Anton? Oh, that's too bad, bro. Is it blocked in your country? Is that why? Yeah, Eva, good to see you. Excellent, guy. Excellent, girl. How are you? Shout out Team Smoke, baby. Yeah. Slip track. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. But yeah. So is that what you're talking about, Vincent? Were you asking about the double studs on the sides of the doors? But yeah, normally we do. But like I just said, we ran out of studs. So yeah, we're not too worried about it. Yeah, okay, good stuff, Vincent. Appreciate that. So yeah, we're not too worried about it. We're installing the doors, and I'm actually going to put no, not banned, but no, is it like blocked in your country? Like for the Discord, is Discord blocked in your country? Hey, you're very welcome, Vincent. I appreciate that too. Thank you, my man. Thank you. Appreciate that. So yeah, we're gonna end up putting 2x4 as well, I think, in here, either on the one side, either the inside or outside, just to pick up the. Oh, you spent your free traffic. I think I got you. I think I know what you mean. Yeah. I got you, brother. I got you. Very cool, man. Very cool. Well, like I said, I could always do a community post as well, right? So, and then, yeah, one thing we did on this job that's highly unconventional too, is screw to the ducts. So we don't normally screw to these ducts, but they're big, old, and they're insulated, right? So we asked the owner, this is a general contractor, a construction company. So we asked him, and he said, yeah, go ahead, it's okay, no problem. So we screwed to some stuff to the ducts, okay? It just was so hard in here with all the stuff. The only other way we could have done it, and is the actual more, I would say, proper way to do it, would be to do the T-bar first in this big area, and then put the walls to the T-bar, but that presents a couple other issues. When the walls are below the T-bar, you got to tape the tops of them, okay, with tearaway at the top. So you got to leave a half inch or quarter inch gap below all the T-bar, and then you put the tearaway in and tape it, right? And then also it would have delayed the electrician by a day because we would have had to come back because this is out of town. We didn't want to go. We'd have to go back, get our T-bar stuff, and then come back. So he said, "Yeah, just go ahead and screw it to the ducts." We got the electrician in, and now we're back. We just saved us a day as well. So yeah, no big deal. These are not going anywhere. These ducts they haven't vibrated at all, so that's really good. I'm more worried about vibrations and stuff, especially when you got a window in it. But no, they're so old and heavy and big, like they don't move an inch or a millimeter. I mean, so that's good. Flat stock, like flat stock. The problem with flat stock is it's really flimsy. It's I don't think that would have been very, like, I mean, you can kind of see like what I'm talking about. There's just so much stuff in the way, and then of course these X braces are in the way and everything. It just yeah, I don't know if the flat stock would have worked. Maybe like seriously though, the best way really would have been to just drop the T-bar, guys, though, and then use the clips, but that's just, yeah, that I gave the owner the options which way he wanted us to do it, and as long as the owner, the boss, the guy who's paying allows it and says it's okay, you're good to go, right? You're good to go. So, but yeah, there wasn't a whole lot of meat up there, right? So we have the one stud screwed to the wall, and then obviously shot to there, and then it's just, it would have been just flimsy between there and here, right? If you put like one long header or something, it just wouldn't work, right? But yeah, you could do like between the joists, okay? You could maybe, like between these joists here, you could probably drop studs and then a box beam, straight across. You could do that, right? That could work too. But whatever, it all worked out in the end. This is good stuff, so. I won't be, I'll just, like I said, I'll keep my stuff below there for expansion and contraction, and hopefully everything will be all good. It should be good. The heat has been blasting, and I haven't felt anything in the walls, so. So the ceiling height. The ceiling height is this mark up there. I don't know if you can see this mark. So that's our ceiling height, okay? So it's quite a bit. So we got 2, 4, it's about 5 feet or 4 feet below the top is where the ceiling is. So even here, right, the ceiling is where we only have to drywall. The ceiling is 2 inches below the lowest part of the duct. So we only got to be like, they do like you to be like 6 inches above the T-bar with drywall, which is still nothing, like super easy for us to achieve here, right? So, but yeah, you guys will see. I'll keep you posted on exactly how we do this, and this is going to be great because we're doing everything, guys. I want to kind of test the waters here because I'm starting a home improvement series as well, because I got a whole bunch of work to do with my house, and I'm going to be doing steel stud ceilings and redoing my fireplace and all the I am concerned only in one moment. Shoot. Okay, Anton. I'm not sure what you mean, but okay. Hey, what's up, man? How's it going? Choo-choo. I love it, buddy. How's it going, buddy? Okay, so usually in this situation like this, we're gonna do it like, you put it in right after your framing. But there again was no channel dropped off here, so these aren't being insulated. These walls out here, and with the rigid insulation, it's tube. I got you, screw in the air tube. Yeah, okay. Oh, did you see a screw in the air tube? Where would that? I'm trying to see. I don't know. Huh. One MP5. No way, dude. You made your. Hi, right on, dude. Top track. Oh, yes, yes, yes. You're very welcome. How did it go? Yeah, did it go well? I hope it did. That's excellent, man. That's cool to hear, man. Thanks for reaching out, bro. Yeah, they're great. Yeah, yeah, I love them. These commercial jobs are great. I guys saying the residential, like you know, I don't do too much of it, but we are, like I said, doing a duplex this week as well, doing the interior walls with metal stud. We're going to be doing that this week as well. But we haven't done a metal steel. I did like those three or two or three last year, right? The multi-million dollar mansions that we did in Calgary were all steel stud. Everything. Well, even this duplex we're doing, even the exterior is it's already done. They made it out of steel stud panels. But yeah, and hey, that's good to hear that went well, buddy. Right on. That's sick. I love that, man. That is really cool. But yeah, like they pay really well. And like, you know, homeowners and houses, like it's just like, you know, they really want to, you know, stretch get a lot of free work, and like there's lots of weird stuff. Like I will not drywall or tape a house. There's no way. Only my own or a friend's. But yeah, you tape. Yeah. Oh yeah. Victoria, brother. Right on, man. That's excellent, dude. But yeah, I don't mind doing framing in a house, but I won't drywall or tape it. There's too much going on there. Too many angles and vaulted ceilings and working off of scaffolding and stuff. Not my cup of tea. You know what I mean? I like to work off of scissor lifts and have, you know, space, and then the floors and stuff like that too. Like in commercial, being concrete, way better. So, but yeah, man. Anyone have any questions about what's going down? Because yeah, I'm gonna shut her down in a minute. But just want. It's been a few days, and what I'm going to do with the channel is I have some left over on my other job, and I'm going to bring some in over here because there's only I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I only need 7 pieces of channel for this job, so I'm going to bring it over. No, Amos. That's too funny. Because you know what? Because it's so darn cold in here in Alberta. So half of the year, like almost 8 months of the year, I have like a runny nose because it's so like I'm inside of hot and cold all the time. I do not do coke or anything like that. Okay, so it's kind of I get comments once in a while like, "Geez, buddy, how much coke did you sniff?" I'm like, none, because I'm so self-conscious of it. When I watch my replays, I'm like, darn it, Chris, you sniffed again. I'm like, dudes, it's a habit, and I don't really hear it out like here, but when it's like in front of a microphone, you can hear it on the replays. Like it's just so nasty. I know. I'm trying so hard to correct that. Oh, Anton, don't apologize, buddy. That's all good. Don't worry about it, buddy. That's all good, man. Yeah, Anton, please do. Yes. Oh, shoot. I have a competition coming up, guys. And yeah, shoot, right? You got anyone who works in the winter knows what I'm talking about, right? yeah, especially outdoors. And when you're coming in and out too, like usually when I do a stream, we're packing in and out or doing something, and I'm in and out, and it's just like it's the worst. But so yeah, there is gonna be a tool giveaway coming up. And I'm gonna go like big again. So last time I did it, it was $800 worth of tools. It was a full custom leather pouch setup and everything. I'm gonna do it again, and it's gonna be based on it's gonna be based on something to do with you guys and your projects and your needs out there. So whoever can send pictures or videos of your projects and stuff like that, I'm going to come up with it. It'll be a competition type giveaway. So, it's going to be awesome, dude. So last time we just did a random draw. It went to Jason Reynolds down in Texas. And it was great. We actually had a lot of guys who were in that draw, and it was fun. It was super fun. So I'm gonna do it again, guys. And so far, there is a Hilti hard case. Last time I gave away a Hilti soft case, but this time there'll be a Hilti hard case. There's already a caulking gun with like it's a special kind of caulking gun. And I'll show you guys everything. There's butterfly clips. There's some other safety clips already there. What else did I have? There's some other stuff. But yeah, anyways, it's gonna be cool stuff. Like last time, literally, it was a pouch with every drywall steel stud hand tool you could possibly need. And it was awesome. So yeah, we're gonna go big again and do that again. So and I honestly don't really care anywhere in the world, guys. I'll send it. I don't really care where. So yeah, Reynolds was lucky. Yeah, he got a really nice pouch. I finally have a nice pouch like that. When I gave away that pouch, oh, Maker Mark, yeah, buddy, yeah, shout out, thank you for being a member, buddy. Again, I saw you there, and I know there's somebody else I missed. I just who was it? Hopefully I didn't miss, or maybe it was just Maker Mark. Okay, good. Okay, thought I might have missed another dude too, but good to see you, man. Good to see you, man. So if you're a wood framer, so I was a wood framer as well. I was a full carpenter wood framer before. Yeah, anyone you're working on, yeah, 100%. Yeah. We'll just say like, obviously we wanted to go to somebody who could use tools and use it and all that. And but yeah, absolutely, bro. Yeah, be any project you're on, sure, of course. So I will set that up on somehow. Maybe I'll try to set it up through YouTube, I guess this time. Well, it was a lot through that last time too, but yeah, make sure everyone has a way like to send submissions. We'll do a live stream. We'll go through them and whatever. It'd be awesome. What was I saying? Oh, the wood framing. Yeah. So like I was saying, I was full on wood before. And it wasn't too hard. No, it wasn't that hard to switch, because as long as you understand drywall, and in fact, being a wood framer first really made me a better steel framer, because there's a lot of things steel guys, they just omit completely. You know what I mean? But with the steel, there's some other things you can do with it, that like floater studs, for example. You don't need to have that corner stud in every time. It's really nice. So is a style thing you haven't seen Chris build? Oh yeah, Amos, right on, yeah. Stone castle, yeah, right. Well, we'll try. But yeah, no, it'll be fun, man. It's gonna be fun. And hopefully, I think. So I've been talking to Max again. Max is is feeling a little bit better, I think. So hopefully he'll come back and we'll be able to do lots more films. Like I was saying, it was so hard. Like I had all these scripts written and all these videos planned, but then I lost my cameraman. So I'm hoping he's I hope he comes back, and we got, because there's lots of work to do. So otherwise I was just thinking on my way over here, actually, as I'm gonna put an ad out. I'm gonna hire at least an administrative assistant to work for me and sit in my office or whatever, and just doing stuff that I need done administratively at least. But yeah, I need to hire at least one person to sit in the office all day. But yeah, dude. Oh, no way, dude. Bulletproof walls in the British Embassy in Moscow. That's really cool, man. I'd love to see that. Yeah, that's sick, man. Right on. Bulletproof walls, eh? Oh, man, that's awesome. Same stuff. Cool, man. That's sick, dude. Yeah, that would be fun. That would be fun. Because they got those sheets of drywall that have they're like a 1/4-inch drywall, and then they have a plate of steel, and then a 1/4-inch drywall, plate of steel, and then a 1/4-inch drywall. It's some pretty crazy drywall and systems out there you can get, right? We've used that kind of stuff for movie theaters and whatnot, but yeah, it's crazy, right? So I could show you did they do that up here? No. So one of the I seen the guys on the other side there, like in the manager's office, who drywalled and cut out all of the flutes, and then they have like a stone finish as well. You can kind of see that little tiny stone, and they had cut the drywall all around that. It's pretty hardcore, right? So It's pretty hardcore stuff. Yeah, yeah, and if you understand, yeah, yeah, you can make it for sure. Yeah, dudes, yeah. I got flat steel, and you can get quarter-inch drywall pretty easy. Yeah, yeah, you could make that. That'd be cool. Yeah. Um, Yeah, I own my company. Yeah, I know. Oh, I say the boss. Like I always call whoever we're like working for, whoever's handing us the check, the boss. Basically, you know what I mean. So I got I'm the boss of my company, but yeah, there's always a boss above you, and that's the guy who signs your check, right? So I always call the boss. Yeah, you know what I mean. Yeah, right on, dude. Yeah, man. But the weed house is hilarious, right? Yeah, I know. Yeah, very busy, man. We are so like we're booked like solid, man, solid. Um, yeah, who makes dinner? Yeah, right. That's true too. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, that's always true. My wife is definitely the boss. So, but yeah, that's funny, man. Yeah, I know we're swamped, man. Like we're so busy, like basically all through COVID too. Like we've been nonstop, bros. Like, we've been going really hard, and especially since I got Marat as a partner, like we've just exploded, dudes. Like I've built more since October than any other year, even like by double almost. It's crazy, actually. It's crazy. So yeah, the construction side of things are making me a lot of money right now, and yeah, I couldn't be happier with that. Unfortunately, though, like, hey, man, I gotta like the YouTube. I really, really, really wanted to make more money, and I'd like to do bigger shows and stuff, of course. But we'll see how the future holds, right? But yeah, man, yeah. Thanks, Amos. I appreciate that, brother. I really appreciate that. Yeah, this has been a really good year for us. So. Yeah, well, Alberta is the best province in Canada to live in, and that was a recent poll they did, and as well, it's not just on me because I live here, but it's actually that's what people in Canada think too, that Alberta is the best province to live. Honestly, guys, like I've never had any like stresses here in Alberta that I did in Toronto. Yeah, Alberta has the best mullets. Yeah, yeah, big trucks and mullets, bro. You know it. You know it. Yeah, I love this place. It's just so darn clean and Ontario. Yeah, I grew up in Ontario. I'm from like I was born in Scarborough, but my dad is from Oshawa. My mom is from Scarborough. I lived in Oshawa for a while, Toronto for a while, the Kawartha Lakes, like Lindsay area for a while. I went to college and university in Thunder Bay. But and then I lived in Toronto there, in Dundas West there. Before I moved out west here, I was in the film business in Toronto. I can't. I'm not a big fan of Toronto. I'm not a big fan of Ontario at all. It's really a stressful place to live. The politics there are just crazy. Like people are, I don't know, man. They're kind of out of their mind, out of their minds. It's crazy, man. You come back out here, it's so chill and beautiful. It's a great place to live. But your bros in Alberta, nice. Yeah, bro, that's excellent, dude. Yeah, Oilers. Yeah, shout out Oilers. Yeah, big cities are lame, dude. Yeah, and that's the nice thing about Edmonton. It's like a big small town. It's not like a city at all. It's just this place is awesome. Like just so don't go to Calgary either. Calgary is a total police state, like total like super white collar police state. Like they're really strange down there. Edmonton is definitely probably the freest place to live in the whole country. So yeah, so easy. Yeah. AOG, what's up, man? Good to see you, buddy. Good to see you, man. And another guy from the West Coast. Yeah, you can make that easily here. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. That's a really good range. Yeah, between 50 and 120. 60 and 120 even. Yeah, I agree. I think so. Yeah. I love it. I do love the people. It's really nice out here. Yeah. Yeah. It's a good place to be. And just the clean air and like you don't have any smog issues. The only time there's ever any air quality issues here is during big forest fires from BC coming and the smoke will come. And so like 2 or 3 days a year, it gets a little smoky, but other than that, you're clean and there's no garbage. You're looking around, you don't, there's not garbage everywhere on the streets and everything. It's really nice. So. Hey, all right, house husband. Let's go, baby. Yeah, right on. That's good, man. Going back to school, what are you going to study, man? Yeah, no bums everywhere. I mean, there's always bums, yeah, but they're not everywhere. That's the thing. Like, they all, they got their area downtown there, but yeah, it's not as bad as Toronto, man, or any other city in Canada or in the States I've ever been to, for that matter. It's not that bad, yeah. Yeah, it's great. It's really good here, actually. Yeah, I like it a lot. So, but I should get going, guys. I should get going. Almost on for 40 minutes. That's great. Yeah, but I want to wish everyone a great rest of your Saturday. I hope everyone's having a good day off. I'll be live again from here tomorrow. So I'm gonna try to come on, get some things done, and I'll show you at least the one side, and I'll show you some of the installation with the rigid and stuff, and some of the tricks with that. And yeah, Chooch, appreciate it. Yeah, Maker Mark, thanks again for being a member, my man. Guys, like I was saying too, my clothing line is almost done, and so once it's done, I'm giving all the members a free choice, whatever one they want. So that's another thing too. So I just I'm working, like I was saying, buying the raw materials and then finding a printer to partner with. And I'm not going to buy my own printer yet, but I do want to get a press where I can just make shirts to order for my house, like shirts and hats. But that'll come. Hey, Randy, what's up, man? Oh yeah, I saw you. Right on, guys. Okay, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow, boys. Okay, bye for now. And thanks for hitting that like button for me, guys. Again, I appreciate that. Bye, guys. Appreciate y'all.